Okay, here is how to add or remove the breakline on your drawing. First of all, make sure you have already has a point surface, just like this drawing. You can see the contour is still not not good yet, so we will try to organize it using terrain, edit surface, line, terrain, contour. Or you can just open this panel, edit surface. The important tool is add line, delete line, flip face. Or you can add point surface, delete point surface, edit point surface. Then you can recreate the contours. So here is how you delete a breakline, remove or delete the breakline. First of all, you need to upgrade the contour first on AutoCAD 29. Okay, yes. To remove a breakline, use the delete line, delete surface line. You just pick the unwanted breakline, then enter. Or you can add breakline from point to point. Add breakline using the add surface line. So here is how you add and remove a breakline in AutoCAD 2009. See ya.